Hello everyone, now today we're going to be going over engineering notation. So let's get started. Open up your scripts folder, open up your game, and we want to then go over to the methods script. Now in here we're just going to go down to our switch notation here, basically at the top. And after this case 1 we're going to drop down and we're going to be starting case 2. So obviously we're going to start with our return. Now it's been a while since we've actually done notations, so you may not remember, so this should re-jog your memory. Now what we actually are going to do is, to get started, we're just going to go to case 1, and we've got a number string here. We're just going to, should we just copy all of this, or could that potentially lead to errors? You know what? Yeah, let's just copy this. So copy our number string, not the actual variable, but just this top bit, and we'll paste that in here. We actually do need to add in a $sign and then the quotation marks on each side of this here. Is that correct, or have I done wrong? Okay, so we need a end quotation mark there, brace there, and a brace there. Now that's going to look quite confusing, but just bear with me here, just bear with me. Okay, then at the end we're just going to add an E and then more braces. Okay, then on this next bit we are basically just going to be copying this and we're going to put that inside of this E. I'm actually not liking this at all. This is a bit long. To save you a lot from confusion, I'm just going to type this one out and you just kind of got to follow along. Now this is going to be in here, we're going to have number.exponent minus number.exponent percentage, which is mod, then 3 colon, then n0, like so. Okay, now we're going to save this script and we're going to go over to the settings. Now obviously down here we need to add our engineering notation, like so. Let's save that and go over to Unity. And then we can, when it's done, we can press play and see if it's worked. Alright, so as you can see we've got 7.69E10, let's go settings. Change it to engineering. There we go. So we got 76.89 billion, 7.69 E10, and then we got 76.89 E9. There we go. That's basically all we wanted to do there. Now, I'm gonna come off notation now because it's getting very confusing and complex for this series. I only wanted this series to be a beginner series. So I'm going to come off notation because it is starting to get quite confusing and difficult. So next episode we might move back onto prestiges, make some proper prestige, and then we might do we'll probably fix our progress bars as well, and then I think we'll be done for the basic series. I think we'll be done for this, and it'll kind of be down to you to add to it. I might do another series in the future on an idle game on a better version because this hasn't been the best in the world, but you know. So that's about it now. So thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.